Hey guys, I want to get on here and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. When someone tells you, I love you, do they mean it? Or behind that I love you is, are you okay? Have you eaten today? Have you had a good night's sleep? Are you taking care of yourself? I think when people love you and they tell you they love you, they really do. I know you say, well, some people say, I love you. And it's, maybe they don't, but they do. People do not say, I love you unless they love you. There's some people that I've said, I love you, and they don't know what to say. They don't know if they should say, I love you back, or they don't know, they've never had anybody to say, I love you. I promise you, if you tell more people that you love them, if you truly love them, they'll appreciate it so much more and they'll get used to it. I know when I was growing up that we always said, I love you. Faye and I, my twin and I, if you're new to me, and thank you for being new subscribers, I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. We would go around and say bye to everyone. If it's in a room, if it's my grandparents, my grandmothers, or whoever, we would say goodbye and love you. It's something that we were taught if you love them. And believe me, I've always told people I love them. If you're a friend, a dear friend, and I love you, you know it. But there are friends that if you say I love you, they don't know what to say. It catches them off guard, or they don't know to say it, or don't know how to say it. I know that there's some friends that don't say I love you because they've never been told I love you from just even their kids. So you make a habit of saying I love you. At the end of most all my videos, you'll hear me say, I love you. I really do. I love you for a particular reason. I love you because of you. I love you because you have been a part of something in my life. Or you've told me you love me. I hope you guys have a great day and a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. You never know, you might get one back. And I am sending you, I love you. You are loved, you're special, and you're the best anybody of anybody. Until tomorrow, I do love you. Don't forget it. Sending a hug. Do you feel it?